So I'm at the airport. Yeah. This is the Kingston airport. I've never departed through the Kingston airport. I've only landed, and it was only ever once. Normally when I come and leave, I'll go through Moby. Yeah. Kingston airport kinda dead, but it is basically 2 o'clock in the morning, and my uncle is leaving. Yeah. But I'll get back to you guys when there's sun outside. Good night. Or good morning. Alright. Good morning, vlog. So, I'm at, what's this place called? I'm going to Starbucks at the Waterloo location. There's quite a few people here. Not my problem, not my prerogative. This is why I don't like coming to this location. It's so small. It is one of my biggest pet peeves when people leave their trash. But anyways, this Starbucks location is very, very cute. It's comfy, it's cozy, it's small. It gives me a 60s vibe, but I think I've talked about this one already. I like it. It's still cute. It's very small though, and they don't really have much accessible outlets. That's what I don't like. Even around the corner, like there's some sitting areas. But other than that, it's Starbucks. Yeah, so right now I am just gathering some information for some jobs. Still trying to figure that out. Not in the sense that like I'm getting paid. Like I said, I have different sources of income, but I think I would like something more as well. And I'm also I'm gonna edit this video and get it up later today. So I'm gonna actually look in like for another until probably like 12:40 at some more jobs, and then after that I'm gonna go into this and start editing this and prepare for it to upload and things of that sort. Anyways, I'm in here. My forehead is huge, but a Rihanna forehead. Yeah, so I'll see you guys. And Annesha is supposed to come by. Yeah, she said she's gonna come around 2 o'clock. Another tip for you guys, for anybody who cares. Actually, I got like one question about it. I go to Soundcloud, and sorry about the lines that you might see in the video. I go to Soundcloud and I type in like, you know, Be Honest remix and try to get remix versions of songs, or I just try to type in like free download, or you know, like a dancehall like track, or you know, something of those lines to get these songs. Especially if I try to play full versions of songs, I try to get like unique beats that are free, and those are what I put over my songs. When I do play a popular song, I try to keep the clip short to like, you know, 26 seconds or less than, and even those time frames are pushing it these days. But I'm gonna see, like, it's bare right now. I'm gonna find some songs. I need some new songs, and I also want to work on a new intro. So many people said they liked the intro, so I kept it for so long. But I do want to work on a new intro and a new outro. Yeah, so So this is what I'm searching now. It takes a while. It can take you up to like 3 hours to find songs because there's a lot of things that you have to do. Sometimes you have to either follow somebody or they take you to another website where you have to click a link, and it's kind of overwhelming, and sometimes they don't work. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Oh, I should get one of these. How big it is.
I think you can have refills or a cheaper drink. Try Starbucks.
Yes, I can.
This is Annesha.
Oh my gosh, guys. I'm wearing my yacht clothes. I'm hot and sweaty.
It's okay, but later she's gonna be all, you know.
I'm having a lemonade dilemma. I'm trying to see if they have lemonade here. Because I love lemonade.
So, like,
I need something
but she doesn't like iced tea.
Yeah.
So
They have the iced shaken tea lemonade. And I was like, what is that?
I mean, for the most part, Starbucks drinks, like, they're okay. Sometimes they're hit or miss, but
Maybe just their fancy way of just saying lemonade, to be honest.
yeah. Iced shaken tea lemonade. Let's ask her. Cranberry. Cranberry is the best. A lot of people don't like cranberry. It's like weird. You're weird if you don't like cranberry.
It makes me feel good about myself. Like, I feel like I'm detox.
And it's refreshing. That's why I want to get some real cranberries and make actual cranberry juice.
Okay, so
They gave me the wrong order and they took it back. But Annesha got lemonade and water.
happy thing.
Yeah. Today's Jamaica Day and I completely forgot.
I saw all the cute little kids in there. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let me tell that. So it's Jamaica Day in Jamaica, obviously. And I saw so many cute kids in their cute Jamaica colors. And they're so cute. I love it. I see everyone. It's like everywhere. Everyone's wearing their Jamaica colors. It looks so good. If I knew, I would have came in like a Jamaica shorts or a shirt or something.
Right. Like, as you can see, the little boy right there. Alright guys, we're about to leave. Oh my god, I forgot I have yam for my cousin. It's been in here for like 4 days. Oh, sorry. Yeah. We're leaving the Starbucks. It was fun. Annesha and I talked about a lot.
Yeah, just any and everything.
And now I'm gonna drop her in half a tree and go home.
I'm going home. Are you
downtown. Hi guys. I came back to the house, but I have to go to do something that mommy want me to do. So Shauna talking at the back as if me I listen to her. I really don't have to listen to her. I can zone people out easy. And you can see how she can start talk up loud or she can get upset. One of them something me come here ignore straight. Me I ignore straight. Cause she said me for stop and she don't want to come with me. Me see you she talk.
So when you go downtown and you pass Crossroads, you can get me the Popeyes from Crossroads.
If you not come with me, I'm buying nothing for you. If you come with me, we'll stop. If you don't come with me, I can't guarantee so I can stop.
Wow.
So you want to come or not? So you want to come or not?
Here dying.
Pull on your dress, man. Never put a little star over your pum pum.
Going have you out here dying.
So you going to come with me or not?
No, I'm tired. My back hurt. I'm on the road.
All she's doing is literally sitting in the front seat picking the friggin' song because I know she's going to want to pick the song. That's all she's doing. And I like semi assessor Shauna bring up, lift up every bag. I need to start looking for the clothes.
I need to start looking for the clothes.
So what you buy me? You think everything free in our life?
Go my business. It's alright. Honestly. I just thought my cousin I look better than that. I'm glad to see how she really is.
Y'all, did you guys I'm not gonna rewind because I ain't got the energy to edit like that no more right now. You going to come with me or not?
No, my
but did you hear how I said if you come with me? And she don't even want to come with me. Next thing you know, I'm going to KFC or Popeyes or Burger King and somebody try attack me. And my own cousin couldn't even do it. Help me.
What would I help you do?
Should I help me? She good with helping, and I should I turn her and use her computer bag and lick it. That's an insider, but if you want to watch my robbery, shush now, you know, see me, I promote my own self. If you want to watch my robbery video, it will be up right here, so click that link when the video is done. Come back to this time and click it and watch it.
Don't click it
because I got robbed. Well, I almost got robbed.
Buy me the Popeyes. Put on the camera and let's go buy me Popeyes.
Anyways, me talk to her later, y'all. I'm going on the road. Hey, I might go to Taboo tonight.
Okay.
I've never been to Taboo. I hope you don't.
You like?
No, I've never been to Taboo. You invited me, but we never went. I've never been to Taboo. You went with your other cousin. Don't confuse me and your other cousin. You see that face?
Yeah, Malik, can I have something?
Huh? Why want him?
Oh, you mean, that other cousin?
Yeah.
But I went with Malik to No, never.
No, Malik went with some of her friends, I think. Or maybe she went with you because she told me she went to
I
Taboo.
went to Taboo so many times with so many people.
Oh, I've never been. Ooh, girl. I want to pick her outfit, Kai. That face! Yo, Kai, if you watch this, me swear, Malik, Sashana. Oh, God. Wow. I turned into my grandparents. I turned into Auntie Judy.
Wow.
No, Sashana. Sashana, I like your position, girl. Hold the position.
I like you, but that's not the position.
Yeah, she said she like it, not the position.
If Shadi did treat me better, I feel more secure in her.
I'm just kidding. We back. That was rude. If you give me a little put a comment down below if you think about her the Popeyes. Yeah, go and vote. Say yeah man, you buy her the Popeyes, you break. I said no, I don't think I go buy her the Popeyes. Anyways, guys, let's get this video. Shut up!
Sugar say Sugar bite, and then Sugar say, alright, my bite, and then come back and say, you don't even get to bite because
I choose. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes I forget. No, it's not. Sometimes I forget. Look at her bottom look nice. You can't really see it, but you feel like the. And anyways, sometimes I forget. We saw Agent Saska's. I didn't record it because.
Oh, you're going downtown, you know, Lila Ike, you know, meet up.
Lila Ike? Or Ike?
Ike.
I never heard her. I just always hear them say Lila, right?
No, but it's
Lila Ike. Anyways, I saw Agent Saska. Me and Annesha saw Agent Saska's daughter, and she came into Fontana with a big old security guard. So we were laughing, and then she came out, and it was like he was probably showing them what's inside the bag that they bought, because she came out outside the doors. And then she was doing like cartwheels and all of something, and she looked to it because you know Starbucks they can see through the glass. She waved at me. Yeah, look a cute, smart one. So right,
I remember?
She did cute, and then she did do a one back bridge, and right as the security guard come inside and not today, and him grab because him grab her hand because she was in the midst of So it's so cute. Annesha have the video. It was funny. It was so cute. She was nice. And then as she was leaving, she turned around and waved at us again. So celebrity picnic night scene. Alright, this is getting too long. Bye. Hi guys. So I'm back from in the Payo.
She never get the Popeyes for those who commented and
I never pass Popeyes.
But money.
Oh yeah. Jesus. How many put it? This will give you back your money.
Fold them up?
No, but this needs to be good.
Yeah, man, keep it up and say, I just wondering if I should fold it.
No, that's too much. Yeah, Kai can't go. We're gonna go out tonight, but Kai can't go out tonight. She couldn't find anybody to watch Jackson. And I didn't end up going to Emancipation Park to watch the reggae movie series. Even though I was gonna go, but then since I was gonna go out later, I was just gonna go sleep. But now I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. I tried calling Kyle to see if he wanted to go out. Yes, it's on. To see if he wanted to go out It's literally blinking right here, and it's telling me that
Oh, because the screen black, that's why.
I know it goes to sleep.
Oh. Just looking out for your best interest.
Thanks, girl. But I can see on the front. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to figure out something to do. Kai wanted to go to, I feel like whenever I say Kai and Kyle, you guys might not hear a difference, but Kyle wanted to go to Taboo. But we're gonna see. No, you opened the big part no phone. Guys, meet up to one later, yeah.
Wait.
You think him have conch? So we're at a fish place. Yeah, it's not too far off from the main road in Dwelling Park. Yeah. Alright guys, I was gonna do a little mini mukbang. Don't mind the suitcase and the fan, but I was gonna do a little mini mukbang since I have so much food here. But I'm not do it. I'm gonna do a mukbang tomorrow with Kai, a seafood mukbang. So I'm filming that tomorrow. Right now I'm just gonna eat a Whopper Junior with bacon and cheese. Small fry. I have 2 sodas, the orange, the Fanta orange, and a Sprite. And I also have a original chicken sandwich. So I'm gonna eat that right now. I'm gonna watch some YouTube video. Actually, I'm gonna go on Netflix and watch the last episode of October Faction. Yeah. Ooh. Wanna watch this dinner?
Some real things have happened lately.
Nice. Or maybe I should watch this now. I don't know. I mean, I'm almost done with October Faction. I could just finish it. Alright. So my edges are looking picky. But I'm just gonna end off today's vlog right here. It was so much fun hanging out with Annesha. And what else did I do? I'm getting tired, so good night. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you're still watching at this point, give the video a like, comment down below, leave me something interesting. I'd like to hear, like, you know, how's your day going? And subscribe. Also share the video because we want to grow the channel. Over 8,000 subscribers now. I would love to get to 10,000 before the end of March. So let's see if we can do that. All right.